markets, or if there is something that is, that is going to be seemingly so uncomfortable, it might as well come out. Do you believe there's merit in the argument that there should be an AQR for NBFCs? And the reason why I also asked that question is that AQR for banks actually prompted the political will for cleanup.
No, I think it's an important question, but actually I must also add one other thing. All of us in the industry are happy that this stress test in real world happened too, because I think if it had gone on for another year or two, as Keki was saying, maybe the imbalances would have got exaggerated. So I think it's a good time. The stress test happened for about 4 or 5 weeks. I think everybody came out okay. It was, everybody's ALM assumptions got tested. So I think it was good from time to time to have this kind of stress test, provided there is no big accident that comes out of it. I think actually NBFCs go through AQR. All the systematically important NBFCs, there is a very rigid, strong, rigorous RBI inspection that happens every year on the asset quality. We use the word AQR very loosely, but because of our ARC, I was also involved when the AQR process was going on. The AQR process happened for one reason only, was because of consortium in banking. What was happening at that time is a particular account was classified as NPA by one bank, but 18 other banks who had exposure to the same account, because in banks there is consortium concept. In NBFC, you rarely find consortium concept. So the need for AQRs is saying, if L&T is calling something an NPA, why is Edelweiss not calling it an NPA? And that was AQR. AQR was not an inspection of the books. Inspection of the books is happening every year. Every year RBI is saying, why is this account standard? Why is this not like that? And they issue a strong report on that, which is presented to the board. The board has to debate the report on individual accounts that they point out. So there is an asset quality inspection that happens every year. But AQR will be an industry-wide phenomena if there is a lot of consortium oriented concept, which is not there in NBFCs.
So that's